So this remote actually controls the tank. This feels illegal. 3, 2, 1, go!
Go! I'm full throttled right now.
You're done for!
Oh, we're screwed.
The buses are done for!
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Oh, they're about to fall! Bye-bye!
Oh my God.
Do you hear the buses beeping?
It's horns going off.
We're gonna go investigate the bottom of the pit to see the buses.
Oh God.
Oh no, I need to stop looking down. This is terrible. Stop moving!
I'm not moving. Woo.
We're in the pit. Oh my gosh. Bro, look at that. Why'd the bus think it could beat the tank?
I don't think it did.
Later in this video, a train's gonna come off those tracks and land right about there.